Well, it's very important to have a productive session. A trainer will teach you well. Also, the trainer should answer you all the queries raised by the learner. So, in terms of our AI tutor, our AI can teach you well, but does it answer you all the queries? So, we will see that video today's how AI will answer you all the queries, whether it is a technical or non-technical or from a different perspective, how AI can give you the right answer and how much you are satisfied with the answer. Okay. So you can see I have prepared some question, um, some nearly 10 questions. Uh, we'll ask this all the question with uh, the AI tutor. So let me come on to this. So this is the chat section where you can ask your all the queries. Uh, there are two different approach to ask the question. You can write the query in the chat, or else you can record your query by using this mic. So let me start. Let me go to the Python course, and once you start, so today we will not uh, focus more onto the training part. We will talk about more about the query and the answer by the AI tutor. So you can see
Good
this
morning.
option of
Welcome
skip.
to the Python course.
I will
And
skip
thank you
it.
for. All right, great. So let's start the session. Python is a high level, interpreted programming language renowned for its simplicity and readability. As a high level language, Python abstracts low level details, enhancing.
So I have option to pause the session also in between if you get a call, or if you have some thing that you can pause the session. So I have write the query in the chat. Okay, and let's see how AI will answer the queries. Also, if you want to skip the topic, you can we have option next, so it will move to the next topic. So let's start.
Let's continue the session. Low level
I
details,
will skip the
enhancing readability.
topic.
Let me see the chat. Or do you have any query? Okay, I can see your query in the chat. How can Python help me get a job in an IT company? Python is a versatile and widely used programming language, making it a valuable skill for IT jobs. Companies use Python for various applications, such as web development, data analysis, AI, automation, and testing. Familiarity with Python can increase your employability in these areas. Additionally, Python's simplicity and extensive library support make it a popular choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Completing Python projects and showcasing them in your portfolio can also demonstrate your proficiency to potential employers. Hope I answered your query.
So the AI will ask you whether you are satisfied with the answer or not. Once you confirm, then only it will move to the next topic, or if you have written any other query. So I will put another query in the chat, and I will confirm to the AI. Hey, thank you.
Let's move to the next question. Okay, I can see your query in the chat. What are the most in demand Python skills in the job market? The most in demand Python skills in the job market include 1. Web development with frameworks like Django and Flask. 2. Data analysis using libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. 3. Machine learning and AI with TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. 4. Automation and testing using libraries like PyTest and Selenium. 5. Data visualization using libraries like Seaborn and Plotly. 6. DevOps with tools like Ansible and Docker. Remember, the demand for specific skills can vary depending on the industry and region. Stay updated on trends and continuously learn new skills to stay competitive in the job market. Hope I answered your query.
Yes, thank you. We can proceed now.
Let's move to the next topic, explanation. Python has several built-in data.
So you have seen that the AI can answer your queries on the chat. Now this time I will ask the query not by the writing. I will ask the query on using the mic. Let's see how it answer. So I pause the session and how is Python used in data science and AI? I will ask one more question. Um, so what are some real world application of Python in different industry? Can you answer me in short? Okay. So I have given the two questions and let's see how it reacts. So let me continue.
Let's continue the session.
And let me
Python has, let me see the chat. Or do you have any query? Okay, I can see your query in the chat. How is Python used in data science and AI? Python is widely used in data science and AI due to its simplicity, extensive library support, and readability. For data science, libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib facilitate data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. For AI, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras provide robust tools for machine learning and deep learning tasks. These libraries, combined with Python's versatility, make it an ideal choice for data science and AI applications. Hope I answered your query.
yes, thank you.
Let's move to the next question. Okay, I can see your query in the chat. So, what are some real world applications of Python in different industries? Can you answer me in short? Something went wrong. Please try again. Okay, I can see your query in the chat. So, what are some real world applications of Python in different industries? Can you answer me in short? Sure, here are some examples. 1. Finance, algorithmic trading, risk management, and data analysis. 2. Healthcare, medical research, data visualization, and electronic health records. 3. Gaming, game development with libraries like Pygame and Panda 3D. 4. Education, interactive learning platforms and educational software. 5. Retail, inventory management, sales analysis, and customer relationship management. 6. Manufacturing, automation, process control, and data analysis. 7. Media, content management systems, web development, and digital media tools. 8. Government, geographic information systems, data analysis, and cybersecurity. I'd be happy to assist, but I can only answer Python related questions right now. Let me know if you have any further queries. Hope I answered your query.
This time I will ask one more question. How can I automate repetitive task using Python? So let me confirm my question, which I have answered. Yes, I'm good. Thank you.
Something went wrong. Please try again. Okay, I can see your query in the chat. How can I automate repetitive tasks using Python? Python is great for automating repetitive tasks. You can use Python's built-in functions and libraries to interact with the operating system, files, and databases. For example, you can automate data processing, web scraping, or sending emails. To get started, identify the task, break it down into smaller steps, and write Python code for each step. Use loops and conditionals to handle repetition and decision making. For more advanced automation, consider using task schedulers or third-party libraries like Fabric or Perma Eco. Hope I answered your query.
This is my final question. How can I prepare for a Python coding interview? So let me text this question and let's see how AI answer this. Hope the question has been, yeah, in the window. Let me confirm to the AI. Hey, I'm good, thank you.
Let's move to the next question. Okay, I can see your query in the chat. How can I prepare for a Python coding interview? To prepare for a Python coding interview, follow these steps. 1. Brush up on Python basics, focusing on syntax, data structures, and common libraries. 2. Practice coding problems on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Code Wars. 3. Familiarize yourself with design patterns, algorithms, and object-oriented programming concepts. 4. Learn to use debugging tools and integrated development environments, IDEs, like PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook. 5. Review best practices for writing clean, efficient, and readable Python code. 6. Collaborate with others, seeking feedback on your code and learning from their techniques. 7. Stay up to date with the latest Python features and libraries. 8. Get comfortable with common interview questions and strategies for effective communication. 9. Build a portfolio of projects showcasing your Python skills. 10. Relax and be confident in your abilities. Good luck. Hope I answered your query.
So you can see that I have asked several questions, some technical as well some career oriented, and the good thing is that AI have answered all the queries. Now, what if I ask some not relevant question related to Python? So something out of box or not related to Python. So how AI will react on that query? So let's see. So let me write down. Okay, who is the Prime Minister of India? Let me confirm. Hey, I'm good, thank you.
Let's move to the next question. Okay, I can see your query in the chat. Who is the Prime Minister of India? I'd be happy to assist, but I can only answer Python related questions right now. Let me know if you have any further queries. Hope I answered your query.
So well, you can see that if you're asking questions related to Python, then only the AI will answer your queries, answer your all the queries related to Python. But if you something asking irrelevant question for the Python, not showing any interest, so this is what we have put some cap, and that is very important. So we should stick with the agenda for the session, and we have to answer all the queries related to the course you have, that enrolled. So this is how the learning and the interaction between the learner and the trainer and make it more productive. So thank you. Stay tuned with us.